Good morning. Today we are going to do a steel rolling door slat replacement. I have to go pick them up right now and then I gotta drive out to the city, so today's gonna be a long driving day. So I'm gonna go pick up all the materials and I will see you guys on the job site. I don't know how many people here have had to deal with driving to the city of Chicago. But so far I've been driving for 30 minutes. I left the manufacturer at 9. I have moved 7 minutes in total. So this drive has gone from being a 1 hour drive to now an hour and a half. And the time is still not moving, so I imagine longer. Well, I will get back to driving, stop complaining, and I'll pick you guys back up when I'm at the job site. Yeah, I am pulling up to the job site, but I don't know where I can park, so I'm gonna have to figure that one out. But you can see it's that door, so it's like one of those doors. We're taking some damaged slats out and putting some new ones in, so it's something like that. You can keep going, they're not that heavy. Did you have to come out and fix this?
I worked on this once, but then someone worked on it after. Alright, sounds good.
I think you need to move your car. Oh.
Good, how you doing? Good.
You're right.
Get the cigar.
Now it is impossible for me to fall off. Hold on, I'm back in. Go back up. Okay, come down. There we go. We get a little bit of slidage. All right, what are you? I'm not holding this whole thing by myself.
I realize that.
Today on what's not a picket? This. This is not a picket. Whoa. It's not that bad. Down. Alright, swag. Alright, you ready to do this? This is gonna be really heavy. It's gonna be super heavy. Super. Oh, Zoomy Mama. That's not good. Do we have to rotati?
We have to rotate.
Which is confusing. Right, let's double check. It's game time part 2, baby. Oh, yeah, and the bottom bar goes on the other side. All right, let's go get the bottom bar. Alrighty. Guess I'll just... Alright, it's on. Oh, shoot. Bottom bar secure. There's that, and then we just put that end lock on.
You bring that much?
No.
Go up higher.
All right, I think we're in. Try to hold it. Why did you have to do this?
Is bent right here.
Oh, it's bent right there.
Yeah.
And then you're just gonna do one of those guys, and then do the undo that thing. Okay. Maybe it shouldn't be bent right there, and the problem would be solved. I think I'm just gonna try to throw that up there. Put that right there. Hopefully it works. We'll see. Ah. Ah. Here we go. Alright, we're on the handle. No, it's not going to unravel.
You want to use the thing to go up?
The thing?
Operator.
Ready? Yeah. Oh, I have to hold it. Huh, I guess it's got to be closer there. That's the top limit. I guess run it down. What caught? Alrighty, so we got that door all done. We got those slats replaced. And for right now, that is it for the day. So there's a lot of driving. You gotta do what you gotta do. So like I said, we got those slats replaced. We fixed some of the bent slats and made sure everything ran nice and smooth. So just gotta go run and fix a screen door that we put up, or not really fix it, but they need some more screws. Installed it for a family member, so I'm gonna go back over there and install some more screws because they didn't come with enough. So like I said, that is it for today, and I will see you guys in the next one.